very soon. We have to record the video first. Yeah, wait. Yeah. Hey, this is Maria from Raw Food, and today we are gonna make a vegan nut milk. Today we are going to make a vegan milk, and today we are going to make almond milk. It's so full of nutrients and so good for you. So are you excited? Here are the ingredients that you are going to need. Almonds, dates and water. We just put all the ingredients into our blender. Blend everything well. And ready is this delicious almond milk. I mean, doesn't this look absolutely creamy and delicious? And I can tell you it is, because we already tried it. So this almond milk, it's so healthy and it's loaded with nutrients, and you can combine it, or you can make variations, many as you like, because you could use hemp seeds, and then you have the perfect relationship between omega-3 and omega-6, and this is full of calcium and other nutrients, and it's so good for adults, for kids and for everyone. But you can also use other nuts that you have at home, so everything is possible. If you want to give the milk an extra taste of blueberries or raspberries, then you add this, and then you have a fruit milk, and this is also very delicious. Then I just want to mention that I use a high-speed blender for this milk. I use a high-speed blender for this milk. So if you don't have a high-speed blender, then you can use, if you use another blender, then I would put the milk through a strainer, because then you can have some chunks left, and then the milk is not as creamy. So yeah, so many options, and I really hope that you will try out this delicious recipe. We really like it, and if you like this video, then please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for free. And I say, or we say, see you in the next video. Let's rock, Maria. Yeah, bye.